Hey friends of YouTube, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing good. Let me show you what I did to this door. See, this door is mudded. Let me find that mud. Right here. Pro Bond Professional Strength Wood Filler. 3 times stronger. Interior, exterior, stainable, paintable, biomers. And let me show you how I fixed that door and what was wrong. Sometime or another, someone cut this door, and it measures 71 inches right there. And it measured, get on the other side of this, and it measured 70 and 5/8 over here. So the door was kind of running like this, and when you would close it, it would make a gap and where a little bit of air could come through and so on. And I was trying to figure out how to fix that, and what I came up with, and you that are professional woodworkers, you can tell me how you would have done it, because I don't know always the best way to do things, but I get it done. So I wound up taking wedges like this. I placed this one like this, and I don't have any more to show you exactly how I did it, but just imagine that one being like this. Then I came in and placed this one like this, and then I ended one up to it like that. And then I stapled them down. And then I've mudded this across the top, this side here, same. And I'm getting ready to sand it and kind of shape it up, and hoping that, you know, I can sand that and shape it up, and then the door, you can see how, you know, it fits better there. It wasn't ceiling down here because the door was cut kind of at a slope, and it wasn't getting up next to, there is like some foam right here, foam here around, and where this was cut down, it was not sealing up. So I wanted that to shape up a little better, and so that's the way I came up to do that. So in saying that, I've had this for a pretty good while. It's DeWalts 20 volt brushless sander. You know, I don't know what the professional term is, but it just kind of goes back and forth like that, and that door wants to come open all the time, close. But it has a really good holding the sandpaper here in the front. And you know, guys, if you're watching this channel for the professional terminology and all that, you're on the wrong channel. And then you fold that just down, and it has and then this comes up, and it really holds it good. Locks in right there, locks in, and you can see I got a little bit of slack right there. It needs to be pushed down a little more. It probably needs to be put in right here a little better, a little deeper maybe. That's all the way in right there. So we'll hold that down. Kind of hard to do this and hold it up for the camera too, but push it down and then come in and lock it. We got a good seal that time. There, like that. Then you have this to come in, and this is Diablo sandpaper, to give you the name of it, but you got this then to come in and push your holes in for so your bag will work, suck up your dust. But I really like this sander, works good. Now, you know, I showed you this one when we first got it, this orbitable sander. I really like this one right here. I like this one, but I really like this one. But they work good together. They're good friends to have together. If I was only going to have one, I would have the orbitable. I just like the job it does better. But I've got a 60 grit on here and I've got a 180 on here. So I'll use them together, get this one to sand it down good, and then this one to really put the finish on it. And so I just kind of wanted to do this. I hadn't done a new Tool Tuesday in a long time. This one, I've had this maybe 3 months, something like that. You can tell that it's been used. We've been using it. I've been using it. I like it very well. And then, of course, the orbital one I know you've seen. Both of them are variable speed. This one's got your variable speed right here. Your on and off right here. Same as this one, variable speed, on and off, and so on. Thought I heard my wife pulling up. She's supposed to be bringing me some blinds. But just wanted to show you these for New Tool Tuesday and talk about them, then let you see them in action. And so let's get to it. Now, as you can see, the dust catching on this is really good. There was just minimal dust with that right there. Very good. And to show you the variable speed. Really a good sander. So now we're going to use the orbital sander, but your variable speed. Whoa! Right here. Pretty good. Let's throw some paint on it now and see what it looks like. Well guys, tell me what you think about my job of fixing that with wedges. You know, you can kind of see the hump in it, but the way that it fits in here, and I don't want to close it all the way right now, but I'm going to, just for you. But I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. It's sealed it up now and the light's out of it. I don't know, you tell me what you think. Should I level it more there or call it good? Like if you step back from it, it's not real noticeable, but it does have a dip in it. I'm going to probably let it go. I may cut another wedge and cut this thick part out and put a little wedge in it right here just to kind of maybe make that look a little better. But it did what I wanted it to do, close the light out. Not as noticeable like that. You get it away from the door, it's more noticeable when you get it up to the door frame. I don't know. I'm a jackleg. Anyway guys, that's New Tool Tuesday. Haven't had one in a long time. I'm gonna try to have one again next week because I've just got in the DeWalt 20 volt max pole saw and the hedge trimmer. I don't know if you've seen that out yet. I had it on order for well over a month, finally got it in. Also, Shout out to DeWalt. A couple videos ago, I told you I had a 12 amp hour that went bad, that my local hardware store had sent it off. It had been gone for, gosh, I don't know, a long time. And they told me they were shutting down service centers, taking forever to get anything done. They did warranty the 12 amp hour battery. I got a new one in. Thank you, DeWalt. I know you won't see this video, but thank you anyway. Guys, y'all have a blessed day. Remember, stay safe out there. Respect others. I'm trying to do that. Trust in Jesus with my life, letting him have control and taking care of me. He didn't tell us in his word, when we give our lives to him, we'll have no trouble. But he did tell us, when this thing's over, we win, guys. Because we're going to go home and live with him. Have a blessed day.